So very good morning to all. I welcome you for our next lecture of Entrepreneurship Development Program subject. In last lecture, we have already discussed related to the entrepreneurship, entrepreneurs and enterprises. Different definitions of the entrepreneurs and entrepreneurships. Today, we will see the significance of the entrepreneurship. Why the importance of the entrepreneurship is important nowadays? Because government has made many new policies for the new entrepreneurship. So even though our AICT has launched one institution innovation council cells in AICT department, and our college has started that innovation council, IIC lectures, expert lectures for developing the entrepreneurs from our college side. Share this thing. Full correct. Presentation. Just significance of growth of entrepreneurial activity. In nowadays, government is very serious about that this development of the new entrepreneurs and rural area also, because this is important to develop a new entrepreneurs activity in continuous in everywhere, because this is the one of the I think all of you know that you are now in final year studying in mechanical engineering department, but and simultaneously you are training and placement drives are continue going on. Some students are placed in MNCs, but remaining students, those who are not yet placed, they have a big opportunity to start a new business, new industry through this, with helping of that government policies. The government has started some new policies for new entrepreneurs. So these are the very big opportunities for that those students has not yet placed in the MNC or other industry, and they want and that these students want to start their own business, they can be start their such type of activities. That's self-employment and the solution of the unemployment. Why entrepreneurial activities are important? Because self-employment, it means that suppose you are not placed in that any industry for one of example of my friend. We are studying in final year that time. That many of our friends has selected or placed in MNCs. Now, in that time, the packages for the students, topper students were there. That maximum package is near about around the 6 lakh rupees per annum. And all they are placed in that particular MNC companies. But some students are remaining to place, and for them, they have started their own business on that own industry. That one of my friend, he has not yet in that time selected in any industry, even though he has like as unemployed he was there. That time he has started his own business of that compressor selling, and he has purchased some compressor parts from other industry, and that different parts he has assembled in his own industrial industry, and then he has mentioned on that compressor his logo, and he has sold that particular compressor continuously. Now, the turnover of his company, that industry, is near about around within 2 years, he has completed the turnover of his industry is around 44 crore rupees. It means that it is there's a profit jar near about 25% जरी profit जरी consider केलं तरी he has earned maximum amount other than those who are placed in that MNC companies. MNC मध्ये जे students placed झालेले त्यांच्यापेक्षा maximum package he has taken through this starting his own entrepreneurial activity. So nowadays, everywhere that unemployment was there, he has started his unit, his industry in that rural area, in that Koregaon MIDC near to the Satara, and he has given a job near about 15. His number of employee as working in that particular organization. It means that he has given a job to 15 employees. So these entrepreneurial activities are very important for the unemployment that current that issue is going on, that unemployment rising. So this is the one of solution of unemployment to start their own entrepreneurial activity. Then to speed up the production, and suppose that first production rate increases per batch, that entrepreneurial activities are the very important. Suppose that Tata Motors, it is a very big industry is there, and number of vehicles are manufactured in that Tata Motors industry. The count of that daily production is also maximum, but Tata Motors has not manufactured that particular parts of that particular vehicles. He just purchased from the other industry. I mean that he has required daily 500 engine heads, but it is very difficult to achieve that particular production of that 500 engine blocks to the one of small scale industry. So for increasing the production rate, suppose you have started different number of small scale industries in that region. It means that suppose small scale industry you have to establish in near to that particular industry, and that number of the count of that number of industries near about 10, 15 or 20. Then the quantity of 500 engines per day is divided in that particular count. And so through small scale industry, the production speed has been increases. It means that you have given a task to only to make that particular 500 engines to only for one industry, and that industry is not possible to manufacture that count of the engines within one day. But suppose you have distributed that quantity of 500 engine to the different small entrepreneurs, then these entrepreneurs can be manufactured. Suppose in that area, about 20 or 25 new that small scale industries are there, and this all group of that small scale industry has got that particular order from Tata Motors to produce such type of engine heads in that quantity, 500 quantities. That group of that industry, that group of that industry is decided to distribute that the count of that manufacturing of the engine as per the capacity of the small that enterprises. Suppose micro, small, medium type of or industries were there is there. Then depend on the capacity of that small enterprise, they can distribute that particular 500 engines manufacturing target. So within one day, suppose you have that work is distributed through everyone, then you can achieve that particular target. असं म्हणतात की म्हटलं जातं की बाबा काम सगळ्यांना वाटून दिले की ते कंप्लीट लगेच होतं. Same type that reaching of daily production of the 500 engine blocks is not possible to the one industry. Then this entrepreneurial small scale industries, that entrepreneurial activities are very important to speed up the production. This is the one type of example of the speed up of the production. Then higher rate of the economic growth in rural area, that unemployment is very maximum in number. In that time, in there, suppose you have started a small scale industry in that particular rural area, then near about 20 to 25 people you have required for daily work purpose. So by default, you are helping to his family for earning something. So this is very helpful to a higher rate of the production, that economic growth in that surrounding area through this entrepreneurial activity. That I don't know exactly the name of that industry, but I think industry म्हणतात that Palod garment factory, which is nearby to the Sangli Jat area. This is from not exact urban area, but it is established in that rural area. And that Palod has manufactured of the hand gloves that which are used for the industrial work purpose. You don't believe, तुम्हाला विश्वास ट्रस्ट बसणार नाही. That industry is supply near about on month basis to the Japan. When Japanese industry is there, for that Japanese industry, you know, purchase per month 1 lakh hand gloves from that particular industry. The name of that industry is a Palod, which is near to that Sangli area. And Japanese, they are continuously used that hand gloves while they are working. Such type of hand gloves are manufactured from that particular in our region that near to the Sangli, and they are supplied continuously to the Japanese company. And these are one of that Palod is one of that garment related industries there. And गारमेंट इंडस्ट्री एखाद्या रूरल एरियामध्ये इस्टॅब्लिश झालेली आहे. तर त्या गारमेंट इंडस्ट्रीला जे लेडीज वर्कर्सची नीड असते, नंबर ऑफ लेडीज इन रूरल एरिया, द टॅलेंट अँड स्किल व्हेरी मोठ्या प्रमाणात टॅलेंट आणि स्किल आहे. बट ड्यू टू लॅक ऑफ द नॉलेज एज वेल एज द फॅसिलिटी अवेलेबल इन दॅट रूरल एरिया, त्यांचं टॅलेंट बाहेर येत नाही किंवा त्यांचं स्किल बाहेर येत नाही. म्हणजे वर्कर्स थ्रू इस्टॅब्लिशिंग दॅट सच टाइप ऑफ इंडस्ट्री इन रूरल एरिया, यू कॅन, तुम्हाला एक स्किल्ड लेबर एज वेल एज दॅट हार्ड वर्कर पीपल जे एम्प्लॉईज आहे ते तुम्हाला इथं भेटू शकतात. अँड that Palod industry, that manufacturing of that hand gloves, stitching चं काम in rural area. त्या rural area मध्ये near about 50 workers, that ladies workers, they have started that particular production daily basis. त्यांचं production continuously start. It means that 50 ladies are doing continuous work in that particular industry in rural area. So त्यांचं जे पेमेंट आहे, त्या पेमेंट थ्रू त्यांची फॅमिली काय करू शकते, मोठ्या प्रमाणात चांगले सस्टेन होऊ शकते. मग हे जर मोठे हे जे गारमेंट फॅक्टरी, इफ दॅट गारमेंट फॅक्टरी इज नॉट इस्टॅब्लिश इन दॅट पर्टिक्युलर रूरल एरिया, it is very difficult to get the complete that particular this type of production of that hand gloves. म्हणजे कंपनीला पण ते अचीव झालं नसतं, as well as जे रूरल एरियातले वर्कर्स आहेत त्यांना पण पॉसिबल नव्हतं की सिटीमध्ये वर्क स्पेसिफिक एरियामध्ये जाऊन इथं वर्क करायचं. सो and daily that per month 1 lakh hand gloves order hai, that order will be reached through this particular such type of activities. जे टार्गेट दिलं जातं प्रत्येक वर्कर्सला, they can start their work, they can complete that particular task of stitching of that hand gloves in his own home also, that particular ladies work. They can after completion of that stitching of that whatever the count of that hand gloves, they can submit on daily basis to that particular one of that Paloth enterprise. So reaching of the production target, that speed as well as the economic growth of that region is increases through this entrepreneurial activity. The development of the backward area and tribal people. This is again same example. In rural area, all of you knows that. You just take one example of our Sferi college. That many of in that time engineering colleges established in only in the urban area, from that Pune, Solapur, Aurangabad, Kolhapur. But in a rural area, in that time, 1998, that time, no, if only few engineering colleges has established in that rural area, and that our one of Sferi is there, and our Sferi college, it is one type of social enterprise. It's one type of entrepreneurs. That our college comes in that social enterprises in category. That our college has established in Gopalpur region, which is very comes in that particular rural area. Barabar? Yeah. Jawes college established, Jawes there is no any development in that in this particular area, that Gopalpur area, that Pandharpur area, and Ranjani area, that Mundewadi, Anavli. To establishing such type of industry, this is our college is one type of industry. Is that to establish such type of industry, and that industry is continuously doing that activities, like as a continuous our education is going on. Through this continuous activity, your surrounding area growth is depend on that particular industry. That development of the backward area here, that Gopalpur village, that our that near to Ranjani or that Anavli, the guy the development now. Through this establishing of our college, the development is going on continuously. With help of this institute also, this is one example. Such type of, suppose you have started that entrepreneurial activity in a rural area. So continuous through this activity, you can develop the near about that backward area of the surrounding of the your industry. Then improvement in the standards of living. That suppose that one of that I have always given the example of my friend, that Asian compressor director, Mr. Swapnilji Chavan. Now that time he has very struggled for the getting the job in MNC. That time he was not eligible for that particular getting the job in that through placement drive or that campus selection. And after continuously hard working of 3 to 5 years, he has started his own industry at Asian compressor. Now that industry has reached near about 44 crore rupees turnover within 2 years. Now he has opened its that corporate office of his industry in Pune region. His manufacturing plant of the compressor is in Satara district, that Koregaon area. But for reaching the standard living of that particular for standard जे म्हटलं जातं की बाबा एखाद्या हाईट पर्यंत जर तुम्ही जर गेला तर तुम्हाला सोसायटी मध्ये स्टँडर्ड लिव्हिंगनच तुम्हाला काय करावं लागतं तर राहावं लागतं. सेम he has started his corporate office in Pune area. So automatically his standard of living is improved. So this is the, if he has not started his industry in that area, that he has not achieved that target of that selling of compressor, then the standard living मध्ये improvement झाली नसते. So through this continuously entrepreneurial activity, the improvement of the standard, improvement in the standards of living is increases. Then training opportunities for the new entrepreneurs. That continuous training opportunity. Some students has also one of group of my project group. He knows very well. They have visited in that. They visited along with me in my nearby my village. That Spartan Technology Private Limited. One of our alumni is there, and he has started his private limited industry of solar industry in that rural area. Now he has also that his industry is turnover near about 2 crore rupees per annum. And for my project group, we also we were visited in that particular that industry. That time, some students has impressed from that particular owner, and they also want to become that entrepreneur in future. Yeah, एखादी इंडस्ट्री, स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री, न्यू एंटरप्रेन्योर असेल तर तो एस्टॅब्लिश केलेल्या इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये जर तुम्हाला जर इम्प्रेस होऊन जर तुम्ही जर स्वतःचा ओन एंटरप्राइज स्टार्ट करायला जर तुम्हाला तुम्ही कोणाकडून तर मोटिवेट झाला असाल तर यू हॅव रिक्वायर्ड टू ट्रेनिंग फ्रॉम दॅट ऑलरेडी एस्टॅब्लिश्ड इंडस्ट्री. तुम्हाला त्या पर्टिक्युलर ऑलरेडी जे एस्टॅब्लिश झालेले आहे, जे एक्सपिरियन्स एंटरप्रेन्योर्स आहेत त्यांच्याकडून ट्रेनिंग इज व्हेरी नेसेसरी, बिकॉज विदाउट दॅट नॉलेज or training, because this training is very, very important, and that without that particular training and that knowledge, you can't be start that particular enterprise. जसं without training जर तुम्ही जर हे करायला लागला तर it is very difficult. That new employee, that new entrepreneurs, training opportunities are very you will be get the easy in that particular enterprises. That proper utilization of the human potential. Proper utilization of the human potential. I have also was given an example of that rural area. Rural area मध्ये जे हार्ड वर्किंग कॅपॅसिटी जे आहे, हार्ड वर्किंग कंटिन्युअसली जे करतात, देन प्रॉपर स्किल, हे जे रुरल एरियामध्ये, त्या रुरल एरियाचं युटिलायझेशन यू कॅन make properly. Use that particular human potential, the utilization of that human power, that employee as well the skilled labor, hardworking people. You can easily utilize through this particular establishing of that enterprises in rural area through this entrepreneurial activity. Those who are expert for proper work, you have to assign only such type of work for these people only, or these employee only. If suppose that we have also, I have also already sent one link of that interview that Mr. Ashok Khadesar, his brother and currently current MLA of Miraj near to our family, that Mr. Suresh Khadesar is very expert for that, doing that particular, making the weld inside the water. पाण्यामध्ये वेल्ड करणे, this is a very skilled work, skilled task जे हे skilled task जे आहेत ते परफेक्टली ते करत कंप्लीट करतात. त्यांचं एक पोटेन्शियल होतं डुईंग द वेल्ड इनसाइड द वॉटर. वॉटर मध्ये वेल्ड जॉईंट मारणे हे त्यांचं स्किल आहे. प्रॉपर युटिलायझेशन, मग त्यांना दुसऱ्या इरेक्शनचे वगैरे वर्क जर कंटिन्युअस तुम्ही जर दिला तर ते टास्क करतील. बट इनसाइड द वॉटर तुम्हाला वेल्ड जॉईंट क्रिएट म्हणजे मारायचं, आणि त्या ठिकाणी तुम्ही दुसरा एम्प्लॉई यूज करताय. It is not possible to complete that particular task. So suppose that small scale industries are there, then it can be easily noticed that who is perfect in that particular area or region. So that suppose she is expert for doing that particular task. Every time you have to give that particular task to that particular people, on that employee. So that proper utilization of the human potential for specific work, it can be used. That removes regional imbalance. Every time we heard that only urban area is developed and rural area is undeveloped. In that there is an imbalance with that for development, that road of construction of roads, availability of the electricity, availability of the transportation, likewise this. हे रिजनल इनबॅलन्स जे आहे तो रिमूव्ह करण्यासाठी entrepreneurial activities are very important. Some students from the Osmanabad district, they very well known that particular that regional imbalance in that western region of Maharashtra. Right? For example, आपल्याला माहित आहे की बाबा आपण बघतो की आपल्या महाराष्ट्राचे 5 regions are there. That Konkan, Western Maharashtra, Vidarbha, Marathwada, Khandesh, etc. ग्रोथ जी मोठ्या प्रमाणात ते कोणत्या याच्यामध्ये तर वेस्टर्न रिजन ऑफ महाराष्ट्र. आपण म्हटलं जातं की बाबा मराठवाडा आणि विदर्भ याच्यावर काय तर अन्याय होतो. सेम for removing that regional imbalance, that development of entrepreneurial activity These are the very important. So some students from those who are from the near to the that Tuzapur area, very well known, because that Balaji Amines, that one of the chemical related industry, has established in just while entering the Usmanabad district within 1 kilometer. That industry has developed, that Balaji Amines, which is one of the chemical industries there. And yeah, that particular Balaji Amines, that industry, chemical industry, has not established in Solapur district, which is established in near to the boundary of the Solapur district. Solapur districtच्या boundary वरती, near to the, लगेच एंटर जिथं जर केलं तर तुम्ही उस्मानाबाद डिस्ट्रिक्ट स्टार्ट होतं. फॉर कशासाठी मग तिथे इस्टॅब्लिश केली? Why that particular industry is establishing only Usmanabad district, not to the Solapur district? There is a reason behind to establishing that particular industry in that Usmanabad district, because for removing of that regional imbalance, Marathwada as well as that Usmanabad area is considered as a Marathwada area, and that Solapur comes in under Western Maharashtra. जे वेस्टर्न महाराष्ट्रामधले जे डेव्हलपमेंट आणि मराठवाड्यातली जी डेव्हलपमेंट यामधला इम्बॅलन्स रिमूव्ह करण्यासाठी दे हॅव गिवन मॅक्सिमम पर्सेंटेज ऑफ सबसिडीज फॉर द इस्टॅब्लिशिंग ऑफ अ न्यू एंटरप्राइज. एखादी न्यू इंडस्ट्री स्टार्टअप करण्यासाठी आता जो एरिया डेव्हलप नाही आहे, दॅट उस्मानाबाद डिस्ट्रिक्ट डेव्हलप नाही आहे, म्हणजे थोडासा इम्बॅलन्स, तो डेव्हलप करण्यासाठी दॅट गव्हर्नमेंट हॅज प्रोव्हाइड डिफरंट पॉलिसी. So performing such type of entrepreneurial activity in that particular area, so we can remove the regional imbalance between rural area also, rural and urban area also. Same rural area and urban area. Rural area, there is no any development of the construction of roads, availability of the water, electricity, and at the same time that urban area, 24 hours electricity available, 24 hours water supply is available, constructions of the roads are very good as compared to our rural area. So now government has changed his policy, and they have established new policies for the rural areas entrepreneurs. So to development of new entrepreneurs in rural area, you can change the imbalance in the regional areas. So this is the very significance of the growth of the entrepreneurial activity. So these entrepreneurial activities are very important. Through this activity, you can give the number of workers to that particular job. Then that particular you can achieve the maximum number of the production rate target. Then you can achieve you can increase the economic growth of the rural area, then development of the backward area through this activity. improvement of the standard of living. Standard of living is by default improved. And training opportunities for the new entrepreneurs. Then proper utilization of the human potential. Those who are perfect, you can use that particular, assign that particular task. The utilization, availability of the manpower in rural area, the cost of that particular payment or that wages which is incurred for that such type of workers as compared to urban areas worker, which is very less. So the proper utilization of the human potential you can achieve. Then removes the regional imbalance through this entrepreneurial activity. So these are the very important for growth of the entrepreneurial activity. So